Okay, this is next level. Chat GPT helped me to get a job in Ireland. I'm telling you, it is crazy. With the help of Chat GPT, I'm able to find a job in UK, I'm able to find a job in Germany, I'm able to find a job in Ireland. I mean, the world is evolving rapidly around AI, and I never imagined that humans will now start asking machines for jobs. No doubt AI is scary, but since it is an inevitable and we cannot go back to the non-digital or non-AI era, so we have to get used to with these technologies as early as possible and start benefiting out of it. In today's video, I'm going to tell you in a very simple and non-technical words that how I found a job using a Chat GPT. Along with that, I'll also tell you how to use Chat GPT to secure a job offer in hand. So without further ado, let's begin. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Harshad and I share information about jobs in Europe. I share some tips on how to crack your job interview. Furthermore, I have helped hundreds of people to achieve their dream of moving abroad. If you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Alright, disclaimer first. Whatever I did is just for the sake of experimenting. I decided to use ChatGPT to find out jobs in Europe, but I never intended to really switch my current work. All the process I had been through is solely for the experience and research purpose. In fact, I can say it's like a ChatGPT experiment or case study for this video. So right from finding relevant jobs in European countries, followed by interview preparation, CV building, analyzing company's profile, analyzing recruiters and HR's profile, I used ChatGPT extensively. And you know what? The results were amazing. I managed to build my CV and cover letter professionally, and the most importantly, those ChatGPT assisted CV and cover letters gave positive outcome, meaning my application were never ignored or rejected. If you are from any background, whether it is a technical or non-technical, you will find this information very helpful. I will now tell you how exactly I use ChatGPT. I'll walk you through all the process step by step. Okay, so this video is divided in 5 chunks. First, I will tell you how to make use of AI to find relevant job opportunities. Then I will show you how I used AI to build my profile. Then we will go through the process of approaching recruiters, followed by interview preparation and salary evaluation and negotiation techniques using AI. Alright, firstly, I open a chat with the ChatGPT and I introduce myself. I try to let it know that I am looking for a job in Europe and I would like to get some advice from you. This is like a conversation starter with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model, as you already know. It processes the text that you provide, so it is important to build linear or sequential block of information to extract relevant and quality information. Once you start conversation, start feeding questions that leads to the direction that you want to go. Make sure you use similar thread throughout the process so that your conversation history will be referred by the software and the response will be more accurate adhering to your specific case. After that, I asked ChatGPT for some job search tips in Europe. For example, you could ask, what are some of the best job search strategies for finding work in Europe? Or what are some popular job search websites in Europe? You can also edit and regenerate the response if you want to look for a job in specific country in Europe. I have also created a dedicated YouTube video on how to effectively find a job in Germany. So I recommend you to watch that as well. But every country in Europe, you will find their own job portals. Like here I found portals for jobs in Ireland. Okay, so this part was very simple and straightforward. It's like using a Chat GPT instead of a Google to find relevant job sites and then make a list of jobs that are matching your skill set. Once you are done with making a list of jobs that you want to target, let's move ahead to the next step, building CV and cover letter. So AI tools are very useful when it comes to profile building. We usually struggle to formulate our experiences or our skill set. So it is very important that your profile, meaning your CV, your cover letter, LinkedIn profile, or any other medium through which you are being represented, all of them needs to be sparkled in a professional way. You know what I mean? So in order to create a perfect match for the job position, I started with a very basic question to ChatGPT. What do you need in order to create me a professional CV and cover letter? Now, simply copy paste the response into your notepad, fill up your personal details, your educational details, work experience, skills and achievements. So in short, specify all the data that is required to be formulated professionally by ChatGPT algorithm. Remember that you do not need to write long sentences. When you write your work experience section or your skill set section, it is extremely important that you use exact keywords or skill or domain knowledge that is specified in the job posting that you are applying for. For example, if you are a software engineer and you are well versed with the building a system design and web development, but let's imagine in the job description it is mentioned like good knowledge of software architecture and development, then make sure that you use this architecture or architect word in your text that you're gonna feed to the Chat GPT. If you are from non-technical background, then use your domain specific skill set and keyword which is highlighting your profile or your knowledge in a best way. Once you prepare details like this, simply ask ChatGPT, hey, as you suggested, I am providing you all necessary information so that you can write me a professional CV. Please find information below and then just hit the enter. As you can see, AI created a brilliant formulation and representation of the skills and keywords that you provided. You can copy it or you can regenerate the response or you can play around with it until you get the formulation as per your need. So the next step is to get an European style CV template. If you do not have one, then you can go to this website settlegermany.com and you can download relevant CV template. It is a paid, but it is very dynamic, easy to edit, and it is as per European standards. I use the same template for my experiment. Now copy the AI generated CV and accommodate it into the template. It will hardly take 30 to 40 minutes. There are other AI websites that can even generate a CV in doc or PDF format. If you want, you can also try that, but I prefer ChatGPT way. You can repeat similar process for cover letter as well. You will find cover letter template on the settlegermany.com as well. So let's take a quick recap. You started conversation with ChatGPT, you found relevant job openings, you build your professional CV and cover letter. Now next important step is actual application. If you crack how to approach recruiters, how to write appropriate email, or how to pass the screening, then you are almost 60 to 70% done. Because the most challenging part of getting job abroad is to pass screening process and getting shortlisted for the interview. As you must have experienced that application rejection rate is very high these days. Now after all of these steps, I simply asked ChatGPT that I want to write an email to HR of the company XYZ who is hiring a software engineer for the lead position. Could you please suggest a short and crisp email where I can apply for the position along with my CV and cover letter? As you can see how nice, simple, classic and to the point application email is ready for you. Then I simply attached my cover letter and resume and started sending email to the recruiters of the job posting which I shortlisted initially. The outcome was quite positive. I received many positive responses from companies, mainly from UK, Ireland and Germany. It is also because I am into software engineering and my skill sets and experiences are fortunately in demand these days, and that could be the reason I got positive response on the larger scale. But still, it is worth to try AI tools in this way as I mentioned. So the next step in the whole process was interview preparation, salary discussion, company analysis, and for all of this I used ChatGPT. But I'll not talk about that in this video. Maybe this video will go long. I'll create one more video talking about those topics. But if you're also looking for jobs in Europe, then I highly recommend you to join this Facebook group. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please hit the like button, and if I cross 1000 likes on this video, then I'll publish my next part of this video. So I'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, take care, stay healthy and stay wealthy. Bye bye.